So how is going life in Indonesia? I guess you're from Indonesia.
Yeah, yeah. I am electric engineer at the National Electric Company of Indonesia. According to the war and the Middle of East, there are a lot of effect to my company, especially
Mhm.
because we are providing electricity and our generation also use the fuel or diesel in many part of Indonesia. So because of that, yeah, I feel that the economic condition here in Indonesia is not very well.
So I think we all are struggling. We don't know how to fix this issue still. So it infect whole world. This war. So we all are suffering from this issue. It is like the international crisis now we are facing. What are you just looking for now? What are you thinking about your job? Like, what's the step
No,
they are taking now?
yeah, yeah. No, I've as as I see in my company, in specifically, I see that until now there's no massive difference between this year comparing to the previous year. But right now, I'm planning to continue my master degree in other country. Like I want to study like HPDC cable technology in like in Japan or Korea, uh, because I think that a little thing can give the big impact to my company from learning something technology new to connect because our country is an archipelago, so we have so many island, more than 17,000 island here in Indonesia, and we need to provide electricity to them. So we have to connect every island here in Indonesia by the submarine cable.
Mhm.
By this technology, I believe that I can transfer the electricity to many part of Indonesian country.
Is it
Right
like,
now,
is it just government step they are doing, or you individually, some organization are trying to connect this issue, fix these issues?
yeah, actually, our government already have a plan, massive plan to connect this, which we call super grid national electricity.
Mhm.
But it's required a lot of, I mean, like multi-trillion US dollar
Mhm.
to all the things. But right now, I see that the government is struggle to build the renewable energy
Mhm.
in biggest island because we have five biggest island like Sumatra, Java, Kalimantan, Bali, and Sulawesi. We have I mean like each island have their own resources like a solar panel or wind generation and also like a water generation. So they want to
But
connect.
they can't produce electricity
Yeah, yeah.
because this is the national issue, and also it is the big project to implement. So it's not possible by that individual island people.